back near Narita International Airport with MILTOL 400mm. Collaboration of MILTOL with the Olympus OM-D EM10 camera will give you 800mm of focal length. With this focal length, it's very easy to make close-up photos of aircrafts. But there is one problem. Since the angle of view is very narrow, it is very difficult to catch the object. So how to aim the object? Check this horseshoe for flash on the top of the camera. The center of the horseshoe will be the point to put the object in. After you put object in the center, just shift lens a little bit downwards, and you will get object right inside the viewfinder. MILTOL lens, including this 400mm ED, has no aperture unit. It means that this lens can focus only manually. On the other hand, focusing ability and live view function of current DSLR and non-reflex cameras has been improved dramatically. Thanks to peeping and monitor zoom function of Olympus OM-D EM10 camera, focusing became very easy. The second tip will be how to focus with MILTOL lenses. Not so many knows that for MILTOL 400mm, rotating ring is not enough to catch the object in focus. In order to bring focus to near side, we suggest using draw tube. That can be helpful if we need to adjust focus by near side quickly. The points of accurate focusing will be: rotate focus ring till it is in the middle position. Shift draw tube to catch roughly object in focus. Accurately adjust focus by focusing ring. Now it is time to follow these tips and take great pictures.